Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses Stevie.
Oh
Big
no.
up yourself, Crosses.
Fuck that
For
nigga.
real? Yeah,
He
for real,
mad,
for real,
he
for real.
mad disrespectful. Mello,
Oh,
yo, Mello, I'm gonna let the man get away with disrespecting me so much times, even when I don't
You
do the
probably
man
want the
nothing. Fuck
client
that.
for Brown got his foot in your place and you're afraid for answer. Come.
for real?
Yeah, and that's why he ran off like a little bitch.
Oh
You
shit.
go like
You
your
have
mother,
all,
no?
you got strength for me, but you don't got strength for Bonnick though.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Little pussy ass nigga.
Because Bonnick,
Oh
Niggas like
shit.
him, I don't respect. I try to respect him. I try to, be nice and civil. But every time when he see me on the live, Bonnick, remember you fuck the AIDS. Yo, listen to me.
Oh
My pussy is well
my god.
clean, well healthy.
Oh what? Yo, me for
So
real.
fucker. So pussy, you don't like when
What?
people do things and call names on you. Don't do it to other people.
No, 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 no. Please, no kids, no kids, no kids. Hold on, I'm gonna
Exactly.
go
But
for my
no,
phone.
I'm not dissing his kids. Or talking about his kids. I'm just saying from what I was hearing. So people, he don't like people putting false
Yeah.
allegations on him.
Yeah, Bill
So
of
don't do
Spliff,
it
I
to
can't
other
go for my
people.
phone. Oh, okay. Jesus. Jesus
But not
Christ.
talk nothing where none on the ear already. You got all
Mm.
that strength for Bonnick, but you never have no strength for me, pussy. And I told you, nigga, I'll have niggas come smack the shit out of you in London. Cause my
Jesus Christ.
Cause my money is really that long, nigga. And I got family in London too, nigga. I keep telling y'all,
Chippa,
stop playing with
come,
me.
Chippa don't really mean nothing by nothing when him do things, you know?
No, but no, Mello,
Yeah,
the man said
yeah.
my father fuck me and give me
Oh,
fucking
God.
AIDS, dog. Yo, listen to
Oh, I
me,
never know
Chipper.
that. I never know that. Sorry,
You could talk
man.
about me all day, but when you start talking about my father, my family, nigga, you could suck on my dick, nigga, and die, bitch. Every
What
time
time
when
you wanna see
every time
my
when I be nice,
man?
people feel like they could pass their place with me. And people don't say you're in an hotel room with Batman, you look a fucking blowfish.
Yeah, what up, y'all? Yo, Chippa, you're a pussy, man. You're an internet thug. That's what you are, man. But you know what? Like I told you, I'm coming to your town. I ain't gonna
Man, I
tell you
like
when.
Crosses TV, but
But when I
Crosses
when I
TV,
when I do come up there, I'm gonna slap fire out your ears, man.
come, boy.
Yep, well that's all you need. Nobody,
Telling
you too much of a bitch to get punched in your face. Real niggas will get punched in their face, but you a bitch. Slap you up
so
like a
you
little
can keep
bitch that you are.
so you can keep talking all that shit you talking up here. I'm gonna pay you no mind. I'm gonna just wait till I see you. I gave you a blah before. I'm not gonna give you a blah this time. Nobody gonna talk me out of it either.
Certainly not me.
So keep talking tough.
Cause nigga, you an internet gangster, nigga.
You
Niggas don't
got yo,
press you and you came on live crying like a little pussy.
you got me fucked up, man. I'm not the one. I won't argue with no women. I'm not even gonna argue with no dudes. If I got a problem with a dude up here, and you're nobody, man, you're beneath me. But this is why I'm just gonna slap fire out your fucking ears when I see you,
Yup,
cause you're a
one shot
bitch
to
nigga.
blood clot box.
And bring whoever you want, you bitch nigga. I said it, and I say it again on every live you want.
Man, talk about my nice, good army father. Your man a pussy clot. Suck your mama, my youth. Man, I like you.
Jesus God.
I'm not like nobody talk about him. So now when people are chat about you, you look a pick me fucker, the fuck off.
Yeah, you talking about? Oh, hold on.
Jesus
You just
Christ,
reminded
over
me of
here
something.
get
You talking about me and whatever else you said. You said something, my mother. But wasn't you the one playing with your daughter, touching the daughter up and feeling the daughter up?
what?
Didn't you get in trouble for that?
What?
You fucking pedophile.
Hold on, when
Who's
this?
the real pedophile, nigga?
When am I gonna get my
Your,
phone
Facts,
your,
back?
nigga.
Oh
your
God.
best thing to do is just shut the fuck up and not comment no more, man. Before me done your palace live.
1 o'clock, my friend Bonnick to Jamaica. No, at 9:30 I still not even 9:30 in the morning yet. Jesus Christ.
Well, it's 12:30 our time. Cause he think people take disrespectful. Maybe people that know Chippa is like, and they cool with them
But
disrespecting them
me
and
not
talking
think all I
crazy.
know, all I know, I'm not sure about that story. The Chippa and them daughter where me love you. Me not feel. But listen, me love you, me love everybody, but me not think that right for say. In
Well,
daughter,
it's not just people I talk about it on Instagram or people were in London I chat that. I know we.
oh
Yeah, see me, man. I'm a different nigga, man. I'm
yeah.
a different nigga. If I say I'm gonna pull up on you, I will pull up on you, man. Stop
As
playing
a
with me,
Libra,
man.
I'm a Libra. I
Stop
pull up on
playing
people,
with
right?
me, man. Because this shit can
It get
turn up.
ugly.
It can end really fucking bad for you, man. I've
Yo,
been quiet. You've been saying all the shit you had to say on other lives while I'm not there. And you come up, you drunk, you use the excuse you being drunk. Nigga, I will hurt you, man. I don't give a fuck if you're drunk or not, man. Stop using that shit as an excuse. Stop drinking, nigga. That's your fucking problem. This is why you keep getting in trouble like this, man.
And then when niggas really pull up on you, you come on Instagram, start crying like a little bitch. Talking about, you remember
What
when
that
Tuga
mean?
pulled up on
Hold
that
on, hold on, hold
ass?
on. He said gun is there. Nigga, I'm in New York. Gun town. What that
Are
mean?
you dumb, nigga?
And,
You
I, and
live
you
in
think I
London. What
and you
gun you
think I
have?
and I got family out there where you at. You think I can't get none? And I won't even need a gun for you, man. Like I said, I will slap you. I will slap you the whole time I'm out there, man.
See,
Every
you see
day
how
I
much
see
talk he got
you.
over the internet? You see how
Every
much talk
day
he
I
got over the
see you.
internet?
But he can't go out, yo, he can go on top because he's talking that shit right now. But when you pull up on him, you see him in person,
He
he gonna be like a
gonna
bitch.
cry like a little pussy, like he always did. Remember, 5 niggas already done came and pressed you, pussy, and you came on Instagram crying like, oh, 5 months
Wait,
try to come deal with it. Like, nigga,
wait,
you buns,
wait.
nigga, you
oh
straight
God.
ass
Yeah,
out here,
hold up.
nigga.
Yeah, hold up. Two real pulled up on you, and you call the cops on him. You a
Right,
bitch.
you a
That's one.
pussy, nigga. But you,
Candy
but
and
you
them
talk about
pulled
you're a bad man.
Candy and them
I,
pulled up on your bitch ass, and you call the police. Matter of fact, you weren't even around. Someone
guys, we
alerted
from New York.
your
We
ass,
know. Listen, we all
and you
from
hit
New
out.
York. If somebody, all right, if I know same scary, on the same scary, right? I mean, don't bully him then, cause come on
No,
now.
but Mellow,
We
Mellow,
from New
Yo,
Mellow,
York.
fuck
no,
that nigga. He
Mellow,
a scary
no,
ass nigga, man.
Mellow, no,
Yeah,
Mellow, no.
yeah.
That man get away with too much disrespect and feel
Yeah.
like niggas is gonna take that shit
He,
highly and laugh that shit off and think everything is okay. It's not like that. Not everybody's built that way. You understand what I'm saying, Mellow? And you from New York, so you
he a
already
Yeah.
scared.
know how
Yeah,
niggas get.
he a little scary ass nigga, man. He's scared. He talk a lot. He talk a lot when he's
The
up here
same
on
way,
IG.
the same way how that big old gal Sasha said she was gonna drag me, but she came to New York 2 days ago to get some dick, to come pick
He
up
talk
some
a
dick,
lot.
but she couldn't come and drag me. But yeah,
Hold on.
you
He
couldn't
talk a
even
lot.
have gas money to even bring the nigga back to Maryland, you fucking bum ass hoe.
He
Like
talk. He
I'm still
talk.
waiting for you to drag me, bitch.
He talk
Like
a
you came to New
lot when
York
he's up
2 days
here
ago,
on
hoe.
IG, right?
Fuck out of
He talk a
here.
lot when he's up here. But like I said, if you press this nigga in person, because I know about pressing niggas. Because if I have a problem with a nigga, I'll press him quick, especially if he's from New York. So all that shit you talking, I don't do it. I don't do
I bet you
international.
if
I don't
Chippa
do
was in New
international
York
beef,
right
bro.
now, I bet you if Chippa was in New York right now, he would not have that talk. He would not have that tough talk right
Yeah,
now. On my mama,
I
he
don't
wouldn't.
do. I don't do the international beef and all that shit, cussing out on airways.
Yeah,
That's not
I
me.
don't do all
I
that
just wait
talking.
till I
That shit is
see you, man.
funny. I would rather just pull up and we fight. That's it. All that talking is unnecessary. That I could wait punch you in your fucking face. Like, stop
Niggas that
playing with me, Chippa. I told you, my money is long where I'll have 2 real and come smack the fuck out of you, nigga. On GP, nigga. Stop playing with my top, nigga. Straight New York, nigga. I'm not even talking on no yardy shit, bitch. I'm talking straight New York, nigga. I will have niggas beat you the fuck up. Nigga, you already said you want to kiss Danny Bless to get famous. She look a fly-by-night butty, man.
What?
yo, what?
What?
But Chipper, why you? Hold
What?
on. Hold on, Chipper, why
Get
you in
back
my mouth
yourself,
though, man?
Chippa. You're butty, man. You're
All
undercover
on there,
fish.
Chipper, why you in my mouth though, dog? Why you in my mouth? Why should I
I told you, give me my body,
stop
man.
worrying about what's in
That's
my
what I
mouth,
say.
though, dog? Only woman supposed to know that. Why are you worried about what's in my mouth, man?
Wanna just say that kiss who forget famous
Yo, and my
first?
mama, man. And my mama, man.
Him
Yo,
say, he will kiss Danny Bless for turn famous because he want the
Probably I'm
clout.
in a
You look a
yo,
jail.
your
fly by
mama,
night
man,
chichi,
man.
man.
I must
Yeah.
a jail.
How you feel everybody calling you a bottom man? It's not just me. Everybody calling you that, bro. You laying
If them
down
not
with
calling you,
trannies.
if
You
them
laying
not
down
call
with
you a
trannies. You want
blowfish,
to kick
if
man
that
from the mouth. Yo, hold on, hold on.
Bro, if they not calling him a blowfish, then I call him a blood clot
Yeah.
pedophile. Move your
Yo,
fucking
but hold up. Hold up.
butty pedophile self.
Just the other day, the nigga said, uh,
Bonnick,
Panda,
you more sexier than your wife. Move your
yes.
fucking self.
What type of homo shit is that, yo? Damn, you sound like a homo, but you saying that.
Even Santos and fucking Crosses TV make sure them catch it. You look a butty fish.
Come out the closet, man. Come out the closet. You're a bottom man.
Yeah, they come out of the car.
Or you like bottom man. Oh, he jumped off. Wow.
Yeah, because he know better.
Shh. It's a damn shame.
I have run.
He should never, ever, ever in
Like
life.
like Cartel said, don't run, pussy, don't run.
He should never, ever, ever in life disrespect any bottom man or any transgender people. Because,
Yeah, undercover.
boy, the shit that he do is shaky. Really shaky. Y'all, hey, people pay attention to him from now on. I'm telling y'all. Watch him and watch how he talk. Stop. I tell him to stop watch man. Tell him to stop watch man.
Stop
Woman
watching
him
man,
to
Chippa.
watch. Stop worrying
Stop
about other
watching man.
men.
Watch woman dog.
Yeah.
Yep. Watch too much blood clot, man. You watch too much gay movie, you look a fucking faggot.
Yo, he's a clown. He's a clown. See, this is why I said I'm gonna keep my foot on his neck 40 days and 40 nights. Mark my word.
Yeah.
Bitch, your name
Every
is
day, yo,
at
every
this
time I
point your name
see
is
him, I'm
at this
letting
point,
have it.
Chipper, your name is George Floyd, bitch. My knee gonna stay on your neck, hoe.
Every day I see him, I'm gonna let him have it until I get to UK.
Bonnick
Trust me.
say 40 day and 40 night, Melo.
Yeah. If anybody deserve a rubbing, he do. Cause
Right, Google
it
tell one man
always
a
in a
rub him,
mix
you
up.
know. Yeah, man, Bonnick.
Huh?
Rub out in blood clot, Bonnick. Hold
Yeah.
on.
He always in a mix up. In the middle of that shit. And love
Melo
it.
say I'm able to join.
And then when people put him in mixed up, he don't like it.
Mm.
Chippa, come back, come defend yourself because your Batman game come out, run, broke out your neck and come, Chippa.
Family, the bottom
Run,
man
Chippa,
thing you run, brother.
run. 1, 2, 3, 4, Batman, Chippa, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years, Chippa.
Cause
Chippa. Batty look at you. Batty mouth, Chippa. Batty can't stand Batty mouth, Chipper.
uh-huh.
Whoa, Chippa, Batty the pan rotation over here. Come here.
Yo, I was telling him yesterday, I said Chippa battle was there on trial right now.
Batty mouth,
Man, where you are?
murder. Them one big war with the dolly. Chippa, you
Hey,
want
my
big
daughter
war
fucker.
with money.
Yeah. See? You see? The man I'm trying to fucking daughter. Or he did fucking
Oh,
daughter. I don't know.
God, them not bad like me. Me no nah add nobody else. Chippa, we to the live.
All you have to do is just shut the fuck up in the comments and don't say nothing to nobody. But if I have to open them mouth, if I open them mouth, I say something. This could all been prevented. But now I really gotta let them have it.
Melo is unable to join. 2 reels unable to join, and they must say, you want me hang up and come back, Bonnick?
Yeah.
Me couldn't finish. Him
All
just
right.
fuck people. I watch how long with the panic. Not too done anyway. Chippa, come. Chippa, cock up your body. And come
Yeah,
take
like how you
bottle.
cock up your body in the hotel room with the transformer, you little fish.
Come, Chippa. Come take your body bottle, Chippa. Come.
Mo shit up. Fuck Chippa.
Hey! Murder!
Mo shit up. And Chippa go suck your mother.
Hear
Pussy
that?
hole. I say that.
Hear
Brawling.
that? Murder! This is
It's
what
money for
different kind
sale
of
with
road.
the chest.
Why, Chippa?
No, I have something better, Bonnick. Chipper, go near out your big old mama.
Hear that?
Yeah.
Brawling.
Dirty. Blow.
No,
Whoa.
I'm not crossing Steve me, even not like a Chipper shirt. Fuck that nigga.
Shit up. Yeah. He gonna get it. He gonna get it for a while now until I'm gonna run him off of this shit. Trust me.
No.
He gonna have to block me.
Bonnick,
If
have
he
your
don't
beer
block me,
guys.
I'm gonna be on his live. I'm gonna get under his skin. I'm gonna make him uncomfortable every time I see him.
Chippa, take out your drawers them and wash them. Come wash
This shit,
them.
yeah, man.
Ah, that's funny.
And then look how he start talking about Chevy and him and Chevy supposed to be friends. What kind of fuck with that, man?
Well, I mean, people are talking about them, but just laugh. But them people are not easy out here. Not pretty out here, yeah.
Steak was good.
It's not able to join anybody.
Shut up because he's entertaining for them. So that's
Instagram use the Bonnick 90. I love it. I love so my mother. Oh, Chippa. So Chippa, come up, Chippa. Chippa, come down to your page. Come, Chippa.
A 5 key?
he
Mirror,
could
yeah.
say, hey, he could say suck my mother all he want because
No, I gotta
my
check my
skin, yeah,
email.
I
Oh, you
developed tough
did?
skin now. Yeah, I
Ew.
developed.
No, I didn't check my email yet. I'm gonna check it.
That was 2 days ago.
Oh my god, I wasn't here 2 days ago.
Oh, check.
All right, I'm gonna check my email. Thank you.
I developed tough skin now, so he can say whatever he wants. It don't even bother me. But him, no. He can't cry up in our mother rotten hole and go suck that.
You there. You there. I shut up,
I know
fire.
that bothers him though. What up, Luke?
What up, dog? What up, dog? Ooh, my belly's full. Melo, I don't know where you're going. Send back the request.
I don't even think Melo's still up here.
Melo's still up here, ain't it?
She is?